Good morning. I'm gonna try to make this quick because I have a headache and I need to go eat, which I believe is why I have a headache. So we are going on a trail walk. First and foremost, welcome to a new vlog. But we are going on another trail walk, part 2. If y'all seen the last vlog, y'all seen where I was not interested in taking that walk at all. However, I still took that walk because I was forced into it. However, this go around, we're going by free will. So I am going to take this trail walk. We're leaving around 11 and it's 9:40 right now. My mom is gonna meet us here. She's gonna ride over with us. And this time we're gonna walk the entire, we're gonna walk the entire park. So I'm going, I'm gonna make sure I got on my sportswear that I need to have on so that I'm not out there, tripping. Yes, I am doing my edges. Don't worry about it, mind your business. But I am going to make sure that I'm wearing the right attire this time, because when I tell y'all, I was real deal upset. Like, I was not feeling it. It was like why are we taking this walk and I have on freaking sandals and a dress? But that's neither here nor there anymore, because this time I will be prepared. I will be prepared to take this walk. So I am ready to take it. I'm telling the truth, because I haven't been working out lately as I should. And that walk just did something for my knees, because my knees have been hurting since I hadn't been working out consistently like I was doing. And me taking that walk, it made my knees feel so much better. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but it really made my knees feel so much better. And that's like, you get a lot of steps in doing trail walks and stuff, depending on how long the trail walk is. And this is a pretty long trail walk, so I'm hoping to reach the 5K, honestly. So we'll see how that go. I will be taking y'all along with me, but we will not be complaining today. We're gonna take this walk and do that. But I am hungry. I picked up these bagels from Target yesterday, and they're more protein than carbs. They were in the dairy section where you get your biscuits and your eggs and stuff like that. So I was like, protein. Okay, because I'm still trying to find things of high protein, low carbs, and it said the bagels are high protein, low carb. So I was ready. I picked them up like it was no problem. So I'm gonna eat one of those. Hopefully it's good. I'm hoping it's good. I'm gonna have one of those, and then I'm gonna have probably a boiled egg. I don't know. I'm trying to take in a lot of protein, being that we're going on this walk. And then I'm also trying to have a high protein breakfast. So yeah, I will show y'all the bagels, but I think I'm gonna just have like a bagel and an egg and energy drink. So that's that. I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed and start rambling. I said I was gonna make this quick. And then yeah, we'll see y'all when we I will see y'all after I finish getting dressed. We are up. At least me and my son is. My daughter, I swear, she has a 9 to 5 that I don't know about. Or maybe an overnight job. But somebody please let me know who she's clocking into. But this is what... This is what I'm wearing. Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
It looks peachy, which I believe it is. Peach top, long bottoms, and white socks. The hair is up, has to be up. It's too, I know it's gonna be too hot outside for my head to be down, and then it'd be wet, and I don't like how wet. No. The bagel that we're having is this bagel. And yes, you have to keep them in the refrigerator because that's where I found them. If anybody has ever heard of the Better Bagel, please let me know. It has 5 grams of carbs, 26 grams of protein. It's plant-based, no added sugar. What are you doing? Oh my gosh, this is a huge bagel. Look how big this bagel. Now, what I will say is it came with 4 bagels for $10. Hear me out. Regular bagels, I think they're like $4 or $5 maybe. So this is interesting. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this is soft. This is a soft bagel. I do not care for my bagels to be heated up. I'm just being honest. I really don't. And then this is the cream cheese that I'm gonna have. It's the whipped mixed berry. I love whipped anything. Whipped cream cheese, whipped. Hold up. I'm missing something. I'm thinking about it now. Where you go get my phone, please? I know I think I bought Jello. Maybe I did, and I'm just assuming that I did, or maybe I really didn't. I thought I did. We're gonna see. Good thing about the Target app, if you have it, you can go back and see what you purchased, of course. And I need to figure out, did I purchase that Jello? It's like a pudding. That's what it is, pudding. So I'm trying to see if I purchased pudding and if I forgot it. Because if so, I want my pudding. I picked that pudding up. We, in fact, did not purchase pudding. So we're good. I just was thinking that I did. We're going to test this together and see how we like it. Look at that. Bon appetit. It's good. It tastes like a regular bagel. We're doing it again. Round 2. Like I said, this time it's gonna be a whole lot better than the last one.
She cried the last time, but she come back out here.
Excuse me. Say what?
Up the tower we go again.
Oh, yes.
Take that way towards the marsh.
Come on, honey.
Ready?
Drinking cold water. And there we have it.
It's fine.
Oh, girl, can you do a TikTok with us, please?
I know what it is.
Ready? 3. Put the stick down. 2. You know this.
Yeah, she's good.
Okay, come on. Did you get it?
That don't even look like a turtle. Look at his mouth.
Yeah. That's a turtle.
He
You ain't gonna get another 80,000 points. 2 days.
So we had to turn around because it took us in a loop. Do y'all want to go down that way?
I don't know which one we came from.
I think that'll bring us out. Going down there.
That's a 16.
T16. Well, we went in a big loop where the horses, you know, I think we're really on a horse trail. I don't know. But we're about to run because
She about to jump on me, pull my hair, grab a child like, oh.
I don't. Let's say T15.
Yeah, this horse right here.
I don't do the sounds in the grass and stuff. Ooh, I don't
The horse track.
do the grass. Like the sounds and stuff. I'm good on all that. So we are now trying to head back to civilization. Because we feel lost. This is what's around us. When I tell y'all, I'm at 4,400 steps. Hold on, don't leave me.
You're not alone. You got people on the trail with you.
Ain't nobody on this camera with me. I'm talking. When we get back to real people, other people, besides the four of us, I'll let y'all know. We made it out. Coming from out of there. Ooh, and the sun is at its peak. Oh, we're over there by the horses, right there. Well, we took a horse trail. Oh, we're in the back. Okay, I know where we are. Okay, well, we're gonna go sit down and catch our breath. But we did it, and I am clocking in at, let's see how many steps. I am clocking in at 4,200 steps. 4,200. Oh, my bad, 48, sorry. 4,800 steps. I did good, and it's only 12 o'clock. So I know the last time I was on camera was yesterday when we was coming back from the walk that morning, and I know I said that I would record, but I got home and was sleepy and it didn't happen. And then later that night, it definitely didn't happen. So today, we haven't been doing anything today besides doing laundry. As you can see, full face beat. I was doing my updated makeup video, which it's gonna be a short and an Instagram reel. So if you're not following me on either or, yeah, so it's gonna be a reel and a short. It's gonna be up tomorrow noon. So if you're just now watching this, then it's been up. So that is what's happening. We're gonna go grab groceries because we did an online pickup order with Target. I was just getting my pictures in on Instagram and my snaps in on Snapchat. And that's about it. I'm gonna finish doing laundry. I'm going to clean this up, my whole setup. If y'all can see my setup right now, I tell y'all it is a creative setup, but I had to get it done some kind of way. But I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up because Bay is on his way back, and then we're going to head out to Target and then come back home, and then I'm gonna finish doing laundry and then take all this makeup off. Maybe later after I finish getting in some more pictures and stuff. But in the meantime, between time, I just wanted to check in with y'all. That's about it. So whichever one works. Bye. Guys, so this is the end of this vlog. As you just saw, I just took a shower, took my makeup off. I had to double cleanse my face and just did skincare. Now I am going to go get in bed, and that didn't fix it, but whatever. Get in bed and finish editing my reel and my YouTube short that's going up tomorrow, makeup video that I completed today. And I'm also going to start editing the vlog that is going up, I believe, either Monday or Tuesday. So I will see y'all in the next vlog, which is in the morning. Good night.